Hi all folks, this is Max from HCCEvoHacks.com. So, question of the week. I get this like a million questions and I'm answering a million of them. So I might as well make a video. A lot of people installing new ROM, rooting, and they're getting a lot of force close on their Gmail, force closing on apps and stuff after you install a new ROM. Sometimes what happens is your old stuff from inside the cache. For those of you who don't know what cache is, cache just means, it's like a buffer to hold some data temporarily. Now, when you install a new ROM or when you root it, sometimes that cache won't get flushed until you use the phone enough, reboot it a couple times. But if it doesn't go away, there's manually you can clear the cache. You just got to get into Clockwork Mod Recovery, and this happens to all Android phones. If you root it, or it happens like 1 out of like 50 times. If that happens, you get into Clockwork Mod Recovery. I don't know how to do it for your phone, but for Evo 4G, it's volume down and power after you turn the phone off. Right? And once inside here, you just go to Recovery, and you wait a little bit until this thing checks for update files. Go to Recovery, and then hit the power button, and you get into Clockwork Mod Recovery. And once in Clockwork Mod Recovery, your menus may be different depending on which version you have. For the regular CWM, the Clockwork Mod Recovery, the version 5, it should be under Advanced. For this one, it's under Wipe, but the other ones, it should be under Advanced, and there should be an option for clearing, formatting cache. Cache you can format anytime because it's temporary data. It doesn't hurt anything to your system. So I'm going to hit the power button here, and then wipe cache, right? Wipe cache. And you can also wipe Dalvik cache also, which is like a similar thing. But usually it's the cache partition that causes problems. And hit the power button. Formatting cache. That's it. It took, 5 seconds. And you reboot, and if the cache was causing the problem, most likely that problem of force closing will go away. And don't worry about the squiggly, it just happens in recovery only. Anyway, that's how you get rid of force closes on, if it happens to you on Gmail or something, or you can also, uninstall Gmail and reinstall it. But there's some apps like SuperUser or something, system apps that you can't reinstall. If that happens, just clear the cache, reboot, and you should be all good to go. So just clear that up. If you have problems force closing apps, try this method on a rooted phone with a custom ROM or a rooted phone on Android. Thanks y'all. Bye bye.